The land of history and culture, Meerut, hosted its grand festival, Meerut Mahotsav, in December 2024. Held in the heart of the city, at Bhamashah Park, this magnificent celebration continued for 5 glorious days. It was organized by the District Administration of Meerut and the Uttar Pradesh Tourism Department, in collaboration with local institutions. The objective was to create a unique showcase, one that reflected the growth of art, education, and industry. That is why this historic ground became the center of culture, art, music, education, entertainment, and trade. For 5 days, the entire city of Meerut decorated itself in celebration, danced with pride, and said, "This is our identity." The Meerut Mahotsav, held in the city's largest and most historic ground, was mainly divided into 3 segments. The grand main stage, from inauguration to conclusion, offered not only entertainment to lakhs of visitors but also enlightenment. A special session called Startup Samvad was organized for youth. Featuring Aman Gupta, co-founder of Boat, Shobhit Banga, co-founder of Josh Talks, and Dr. Rajiv Sharma, at Tata 1mg. Their inspiring words encouraged young minds toward innovation, entrepreneurship, and self-reliance.
जोश टॉट्स में हम आपके गली मोहल्ले से निकले हुए सफल लोगों को, किसी भी सेक्टर में हो, चाहे वो एजुकेशन हो, चाहे वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हो, ऐसे लोगों को हम मंच पर बुलाते हैं उनकी कहानी बताने के लिए.
These sessions turned Meerut Mahotsav into not just an event of entertainment, but a celebration of future possibilities and youthful energy. During the day, the main stage echoed with inspiring sessions. As dusk fell, it bathed in lights, rhythm, and music. Every evening opened a new chapter of art and culture. The first night began with a poetic symposium on patriotism, anchored by poetess Komal Rastogi, featuring renowned poet Dr. Hariom Pawar and several others who filled the audience with patriotic emotion.
मैं धरती के आंसू का संतरास नहीं तो क्या गाऊं, मैं धरती के आंसू का संतरास नहीं तो क्या गाऊं.
Later, Neeti Mohan's energetic performance immersed the Mahotsav in melodies. The second evening saw Harshdeep Kaur's soulful Sufi voice touch every heart. On the third day, Hema Malini's classical dance brought the grace of Indian tradition alive. And on the fourth day, Dr. Kumar Vishwas electrified the atmosphere with his powerful poetry. The Mahotsav concluded with a spectacular performance by the Shankar Mahadevan group. Each beat met with thunderous applause, dancing crowds, and music echoing in the skies. A sight that became the symbol of Meerut's cultural soul. Now, let's move to the second segment of Meerut Mahotsav, where talent, tradition, flavor, and dialogue came together in perfect harmony. A vibrant stage here hosted the performances of various schools, colleges, and cultural organizations of the city throughout the day. Some showcased the spirit of patriotism, others, the rhythm of folk dances from across India. The bright smiles of young performers and their graceful movements, blended with applause, filled the entire atmosphere with joy. Among these, the divine presentation of Shiv Tandav stood out. The beats of the drums, the echo of the conch, and the rhythmic movements of the dance made the entire arena vibrate with devotion and energy, an aesthetic and spiritual experience.
भगवान शिव के गान आ चुके हैं भाई.
In the adjoining halls, Seminars and discussions were held on education, art, environment, and women empowerment. These thoughtful sessions gave new direction to the social and environmental consciousness of the city. And when renowned actor and member of parliament Arun Govil, famous for his role as Lord Ram, appeared on stage, the audience filled with reverence and enthusiasm. His thoughts reminded everyone that Indian culture is not just a tale of the past, but an inspiration for the present. When minds were enriched with knowledge and hearts with art and devotion, the aroma of delicious food called everyone toward the food court. The entire area turned into a festival of taste and fragrance. There were North Indian parathas and chole bhature, and the enticing aroma of South Indian dosa and idli. One corner was surrounded by youth around sizzling momos, pizzas, and pastas, while on the other side, the fragrance of tandoori chai warmed the cool evenings. Every flavor and every smile seemed to say, Merit Mahotsav is not just something to watch, but an experience to live. The third segment of the Mahotsav celebrated creativity and innovation, where the imagination of students, the guidance of teachers, and the blend of tradition with modernity came alive. Across the vast grounds of Bhamashah Park, hundreds of school stalls showcased inspiring examples of education and creativity. Each stall reflected the effort and imagination of students.
पिछले कुछ दिनों से भोला स्कूल भी नहीं आ रहा और गांव के लड़कों के साथ घूमता रहता है, पढ़ता तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। तो एग्जाम का
Some science models hinted at the technology of the future, while art and handmade crafts reflected sensitivity and creativity. Among them, the Ved International School stall drew special attention. Students here presented an impressive model on environment and water conservation.
Having a building right here. So whenever the rain will come, so this is the method to conserve the rainwater, right? So there will be the accumulation of water on the terrace of a building. Then it will go up to here, and we are having the filtration pit here.
With the support of teachers, Ved International School team also created fun interactive games which attracted children and adults alike. At every stall, the enthusiasm of students, the smiles of parents, and the pride of teachers were clearly visible. This lively scene reflected an education system where learning breathes through experience, not just textbooks. This confluence of schools at Merit Mahotsav became a vibrant symbol of awareness, creativity, and the spirit of the new generation. Other school stalls added even more color, with music performances, paintings, and handicrafts telling their own stories. Across the field, school groups, families, and children enjoyed both learning and entertainment at every corner. Live art and music performances give new local talents a stage to shine. In the Merit Art Fest zone, another attractive stage was set up, where local personalities, who had made a name in various fields, shared their experiences and inspiring journeys. Artists from different states of India showcased glimpses of their unique culture and traditions. Folk dancers swayed to captivating rhythms, and the melodious echo of folk songs filled the air. Puppet shows delighted both children and adults alike. The audience gathered in such numbers that even the seating space fell short. Youngsters captured every moment on their mobile cameras, and every frame was filled with smiles and applause. These vibrant glimpses of folk art reminded everyone that even in this age of modernity, the fragrance of our soil remains as fresh as ever. This part of the festival glowed with a vibrant blend of business and tradition. The ODOP exhibition means one district, one product, beautifully brought together the essence of Uttar Pradesh under one roof. Each district's renowned products captivated visitors with their identity, craftsmanship, and fragrance. As the host city, Meerut proudly showcased its iconic trades. Its famous sports goods, admired for their quality and range. The brass band industry, known for its shining instruments and lively tradition. And Meerut's renowned scissors, celebrated for their sharpness and precision. Meanwhile, Muradabad's artistic brassware gleamed with timeless beauty, and Banaras' elegant saris and kurtas displayed a graceful fusion of tradition and craftsmanship. Moving ahead, here is the crockery stall from Khurja of Bulandshahr. Then comes Hathras, where the aroma of its famous hing means asafoetida drew visitors from afar. And when it comes to fragrance, Kannaud's perfumes were an unmissable delight. The unique varieties offered something new for every enthusiast. Each stall told the story of its land. And the enthusiasm of the visitors showed that these local industries have become not just symbols of livelihood but emblems of pride and heritage. In this same section, the selfie points and group session zones became favorite spots for visitors to capture memories. Students or families, everyone eagerly posed for pictures and videos against colorful backdrops, taking with them a part of this grand celebration. Every smile, every click was proof that Meerut Mahotsav is not just an event, but a celebration of pride and the soul of the city. This documentary has been created and presented by Ved International School, so that those who could not attend the beautiful Meerut Mahotsav in person can still experience its every color, every glimpse, and every joy through this film.
भगवान शिव के गण आ चुके हैं